He want my number, had to hit him with the fantasizing, got him fiending for this. Thick thighs, got him busting out the jeans. Yeah, real dope vibe, turn these niggas into fiends. Yeah, I like them nasty, Bad bitch, having cake, let him eat it.
Hey y'all, so it's your girl Nylah Rose back again with another show. So today I will be filming my first Get Ready With Me. So excited, y'all stay tuned because I do this makeup ish for real, for real. So
yo, I took you out. The sun's on my mind for the whole damn route. My mom was in a frenzy in a horny state. But I couldn't drop down because you couldn't relate.
as you all can see here, I'm just carving out my brows, starting by outlining it at the bottom and then bringing it to the top, cleaning up, you know, where it needs to be cleaned up. For me, brows is the most important step of the face because they really like frame your face, you know what I'm saying? So the key to having natural looking brows is just using really light strokes. As you can see, I'm doing light strokes in the front and going upwards, following the way that my hair falls to make it look as natural as possible. Nobody wants them thick, Sharpie looking brows. Okay, girl, eyebrows on fleek. The fuck? So now, as you can see, you get your little concealer, and I kind of used a concealer that was a little bit too light, but I know what I'm doing, so I blended it out or whatever with my powder. However, you want to get a concealer that's only like a shade lighter than your actual skin tone, because those halo brows are not it. That was the thing back in the days, but not now. So here I'm using my Great Lash Mascara Clear as eyebrow gel. This is a gem, y'all. Clear mascara as eyebrow gel will have your shit up and stuck all day, okay? So make sure y'all go and get that dupe. So I just want y'all to know I'm new to this beauty recording shit, and this is a lot. I was trying to do a TikTok while I was doing this, so that's why half my face is done. But it's really confusing. I don't know if it's gonna give what it needs to give, but we're gonna see. Stay tuned. Morphe brush I just got. Never got to use it, so we're gonna use it today. How did I do this? Okay. Feel like I look crazy. You gotta feel like me, so we can ride the bike. Feel like me to love. I wanna run with you all night. To sunlight. Period. This is like so stressful right now. Like I was trying to do too much at once and never again. Like trying to film a TikTok and a video when I could have just took some clips from the video. Like, what are you doing? Okay. So I don't even remember what I did to this side. This is why I need to do boom, boom, and then I did boom, then this is too much. This might not get posted, but
try it. Try it. With me if you want to. It's not a good day. Okay? Now
This
back
bitch
to that
is
one.
shaking the table.
like, child, I really need to start watching makeup tutorial videos again. Like, what the freak? This is crazy. I used to be like, ba-da-da, ba-da-da, ba-da-da. Now I'm like, what the fuck do I do next? Where do I go? Y'all, this is gonna be, oh, that's not as just glitter. Don't play with me. Like, this shit is hard. Okay. So now we're gonna go. I know I did like 3 glitters, but y'all can't even tell. Okay. This dark glitter right here, I'm gonna put that in a crease. Where the freak did I put that brush? Oh my god. Okay. This is not getting posted. What the freak? I need to just do stuff how I usually do it. Cause now it's just like, y'all ever like mess up y'all routine and then y'all get all frazzled? That's what's happening to me right now. Like I didn't do my makeup how I usually do my makeup. I try to do half my face first. And now I'm just like, I just feel anxious. Like I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Like all the brain cells in my brain just, this is too much for me right now. Okay. You're gonna bring it higher up this time. Kind of cut that crease. And I suggest that you spray your brush when you're dealing with glitters because it helps them, you know, stick better and like come out smoother. Basically gonna paint that on the lid like so. Next we're gonna take this and this color. Do y'all even care? This is not a makeup tutorial, Nylah. What are you doing? Just do your fucking makeup. I told you I'm so discombobulated. Like I don't like this. Get a nice smooth transition. We're getting somewhere.
Bitch, you doing a good job. Bitch, you doing a good job. Bitch, you doing a good job. Bitch, you doing a good job.
Focus this color in the middle. Yeah, right. We're gonna blend this out a little bit at the top because it's looking a little crazy. Actually, this is not the brush I need. 2 pieces. Bomba cloth. Okay, take this orangey color. keep blending, just keep blending, just keep blending, blending, blending. What do? We blend. Ooh, starting to look like slime. We gonna make it look good. Believe me. We gonna make it look good. Hey, starting to look like the other eye. Hey. So here what I'm doing is highlighting first. I went in with my highlighter, and then after my highlighter, I add my foundation, and then I contour. So just stay tuned. So right here, as you can see, my foundation is a little orange. I believe I have like a reddish undertone, but this is a bit too orange for me, so I'm actually on the lookout for another foundation. So if you guys have any other suggestions, that foundations that are dark girl friendly, please leave them in the comment section below. Here I'm contouring. I do a cream contour first, and then I go in and do like bronzer afterwards. So this is like the best bronzer ever. It's very pigmented, very dark skin girl friendly. Out of the Crayon Case Watch Me Blush palette. I use it all the time, but as you can see, you do have to go up under your bronzer and your contour, ladies, with your same color powder, because you don't want that harsh line of demarcation. Just add the blush and be done with this, because I've been doing my makeup and recording for entirely too long. So we have the Watch Me Blush palette, Crayon Case Cosmetics. I'm gonna go in with this orange. Love this color. Yes, ma'am. Whoever said dark skin girl can't wear blush lied. I love me some blush. But you doing a good job, bitch. You doing a good job. You doing a good job. Just when I thought I couldn't do makeup no more, y'all. This is the final look. I'll slow this down for y'all. Just a little few finishing touches. And boom, this is what I have for y'all today. Get into it, y'all. Almost forgot. I'm only doing one spray because I literally just did my makeup for y'all. I'm not going nowhere. So we don't need no all-nighter makeup. But this is the final look. This is the final look, guys. Oh my gosh, almost forgot a lippy. Hold on. I'm lining my lips with the same pencil I did my eyebrows with. So we're gonna take my NYX butter glosses. I absolutely love these. Been using them for years. You can't really find them at 20 places anymore, but we'll put that on my lid. We're gonna put this in the middle. And a little bit of this on top. I don't know what color it is or what's it called, but some pink. Mix those together like so. Cute, right? Real cute. And the final step, you know, the clear lip gloss that all the girls use. You can find at your local beauty supply store for mad cheap, like $1. I will use this till I'm 55. Shit, till I'm 65. I always need lip gloss. Okay, now this is the final look. Y'all, please don't mind these two nails. So I had a full set, and y'all know there's always those two that just don't want to come off. And this one, the nail broke under it, so it hurts really bad. I'm gonna have to go to the nail salon and take it off. I'm about to go get my nails done in like 2 days, so don't come for me, y'all. But yeah, this is the final look or whatever. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please come again. Like I said, there'll be more beauty content on the way because I will sleep on myself. Like, I haven't done my makeup in so long because, like, I don't know, I just haven't really been going too many places, and when I do go out, I don't be having time to record me doing my makeup. But anyway, I'm chatting. More beauty content is on the way, I promise. And I love these lashes. Like, these are gonna be my lashes that I wear while I have my braids, because it's giving what I needed to give.
I'm out of here.